Hey, what's up guys? This is Mario from Trade of the Day, and in today's video I'm gonna go over what do traders do when the market is range bound, downtrend or bear market, and it's really not doing nothing, which is pretty much what's going on. So I'm gonna cover relative strength and why that is important and how that looks like. All right, let's get started. So as you guys know, the market has been pretty much not doing anything. Let me just show you guys a year of the S&P 500. Again, the last 3 months, it's just been insanely volatile. The last literally a month, it's just been going back and forth every single day, up 1%, down 1%, up 1%, down 1%. It's doing nothing. It's not even trending. So because the market is overall is doing that, a lot of the big tech, a lot of the sector strength stocks that used to trend are no longer trending. But because of that, you have to change your strategy now. You have to look for what maybe smaller cap stocks and maybe in the Russell 2000 or Nasdaq, have relative strength compared to the market. So let's look at that. So I have a list of stocks that I do see trending, even in this market, and I do see opportunity. One of them is Virtual Financial, VIRT. If you guys see the last year, after this earnings report, it literally just kind of skyrocketed, and it's trending. It's holding its trend too. So definitely that gives an opportunity for you to kind of make money as a trader on a swing trade. If you ever were to get a pullback on that trend and get in a decent reward to risk ratio. Then you got HUM, another stock that's also trending, giving a nice little range. They could also give an opportunity to make some decent money on a swing if it hits you in the right spot. So that looks pretty good. Let's see what else I like. I like Lulu retail. Is doing nicely. VC, you know, it had its earnings report recently, broke out, it's starting to trend. Of course, looking for a pullback for a nice entry with a nice reward to risk for a swing wouldn't be a bad idea. We got Nike, not bad, doing okay the last year. Starting to trend, it's holding its levels, support, 65 level, very important level, is holding it. So it might break over the 70 level, so that's a pretty decent spot. NTNX, definitely nice little trend after this earnings report. Pretty much went parabolic, pulled back, but it's consolidating. It looks like it may create a support level for another move to the 60s or 70s. We'll keep an eye on that. And then there's PAGS, actually a recent IPO. I think it went public on January 24th of this year, and it's been trending, you know. VSC has been creating lower highs, and hopefully this level holds, and then we create a high. So that's definitely a pretty decent support level. And then we got USG, who kind of broke out as level, trended, pulled back, and if it breaks this 41 level, it may continue that trend. We'll have to wait for that. And then there's Macy's retail, which of course did this bottoming formation. If you look at the last 5 years, it was definitely downtrending and very, very fast too. And it finally created this bottom right here at 1741, and it held, and it created this higher lows, and it pulled back to this level. You see this 24 level held, broke out, created new highs. So it's definitely forming a trend. So that's very, very good, and that's nice to see. So definitely I do see opportunity here in Macy's for a swing. So hopefully you guys understand, again, relative strength. Again, if you compare these stocks as trends versus the market, you could tell right away that these stocks are trending versus compared to the market, which is not trending. And that's what I mean by relative strength. Now again, look at the market. It's not trending upwards. It literally almost looks like it's trending downwards. So that's relative strength, meaning if you were to look at these stocks, for example, Virtual Financial, you can't even tell that the market is down because this thing is still trending nicely. It's going up pretty high. So yeah, I mean, it's definitely opportunity. When there's a trend, there's an opportunity to make money as a trader. So again, same thing with HUM, Lulu, NKE, NTNX, PAGS, or PAGS, USG, and M. So Hopefully you guys learned something from this video. Again, relative strength, keep that in mind. Look for stocks that are actually trending, even though this market is not trending. Most likely you're going to see that as small cap stocks in the Russell 2000 or even in the NASDAQ. And they can definitely give an opportunity for to still make money on the swing trade, even though the market is pretty much not doing anything. All right, guys, hopefully you guys learned something from this video. Feel free to reach out to me. Subscribe to this channel if you learned something from this video. And hopefully you guys will hear from me soon. Have a good one, guys. Bye.